Hello, in this video we're going to make a very delicious and well-cooked chicken stew together. First, season your chicken pieces with garlic powder, black pepper, paprika, salt, and turmeric. Adding lemon juice is completely optional, but you can add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice along with saffron, which makes it even more delicious. Massage the chicken well so that all the pieces are coated with the spices. Then let it rest in the refrigerator for at least half an hour to an hour so the flavors can meld together well. Pour some oil into a suitable pan. You can also use butter or ghee. I also added a tablespoon of ghee. Add the marinated chicken and fry both sides. Once it looks like it does in the video, it's done. In the same pan, add 1 large grated onion and sauté it. Once the onion is sautéed, add turmeric and black pepper to taste. I added a small teaspoon of each. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and sauté until the rawness is gone and it becomes more vibrant and colorful. If you wish to enhance the flavor of your stew, you can use 2 cloves of grated or finely chopped garlic. Add half a teaspoon of curry powder, which is an amazing and delicious spice for this stew, and sauté for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add about 3 cups of boiling water. Be careful not to add too much water so that your stew doesn't taste watery. I used dried plums to make it tastier, which is completely optional and you can choose not to add them. Then add the fried chicken pieces. Gently and carefully add a stick of cinnamon. Then close the lid of the pan. Reduce the heat and allow time for your chicken to cook thoroughly. After an hour and a half, add salt to your chicken sauce as needed, and that's it. You have a perfectly cooked and delicious chicken stew. Pour it into your serving dish and enjoy it with rice. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I would appreciate it if you follow me and stay with us.